I'm gonna take all those pillowcases out and wash them. I'm also gonna wash these throw blanket, and the thing I'm gonna do also is take all those covers out of my couch. Let's go ahead and take all the pillow covers out, the blanket, also this blanket right here, and then wash them.
Okay, I took everything out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and throw them in the wash and wash them, and a few hours later they were all clean and dry.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks.
This is all from the ceiling fans on that side, but at least now they're super clean. And look, I should have do them first before the sofa, and now look, I have to vacuum it again.
I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody.
Now we are doing the dining room. I went ahead and washed those covers. I used the shout stain removers. It worked perfectly always. I try to wash those covers at least once a month, and or whenever they get dirty, you know, when you have kids or animals or husband. Anyway, a few hours later they were all dry and clean, and I went and put them back in the chairs.
Else, and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah. Never know, nah. She will never know, nah. Never know, nah. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine.
Alright, for this one right here, it is pretty dusty in here, but what I have to do is give it a good vacuum, because this rug is getting really dirty, but it's still looking nice. Those pillow covers cannot come out, so, and they're not dirty also, but I'm gonna try to wash these covers because I'm about to take them out because they have a zipper. So
I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else, and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah. Never know, nah. 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 She'll never know.
Don't listen to what everyone else says. Take your time. You're not their mess. Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine. I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear. what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. Please don't take this the wrong way. I'm on your side through the worst days. I just have to say I miss my best friend, seeing her smile. Still I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear.
Okay, I'm gonna do the bedroom right now. I'm gonna have to take everything off because those sheets they are so dirty. I'm taking everything off. I will also taking out the duvet cover because it is disgusting dirty with food stands. And you know, if you have animal you should be washing your sheets at least once a week or once every 2 weeks. Don't pass that 2 weeks. So I'm gonna take everything off and then throw them in the washer. The floor is really a mess. There's stuff everywhere on the nightstand also, and this chair right here. I will also be washing the throw blankets and all these pillows covers, including throw pillows. And yeah, let's do that, and then let's make the bed with new clean sheets.
And be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. Stop, just hold on a minute. This part is nearly finished. You'll get a fresh start. So count to 10, take a deep breath. This is the only way you'll ever find out that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. It won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face, visit Paris or Broadway, and chill out on Sundays. I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
Okay, I am doing the kitchen right now. This kitchen is always a disaster. No matter how hard I try to keep it clean, it can never stay clean with all these children. You know how it is. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the counter. There always rice or other foods on top of the counter. But anyway, and the floor is always so yucky and nasty and sticky. But I'm not gonna complain, okay? One day I'm gonna miss that. That's what they said, so I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the dishes that's in the sink with my hands, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and start the dishwasher because it is filled with dirty dishes from last night and I did not start it. So that is what I'm gonna do right now, and I will also go ahead and wipe down the dishwasher. As you can see right there, it is so dirty, and do the fridge, the stove, and the microwave. So that's what I'm gonna do.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
Okay, I am all done cleaning. It just feels so clean, so nice in here now. The whole house smells so good. Oh, my kitchen is finally clean, no dirty dishes. Oh, the dining room is clean. It's pretty bare. I cannot wait to start decorating for spring. Just add some colors in there, you know? So I hope you really enjoyed this video, guys, and subscribe. A little support doesn't hurt. Anyway, I started cleaning I think at 10 or 9 in the morning, and I just finished right now at 7:30. That was a long day cleaning, but I cannot wait to jump in the shower, put some clean clothes on, and then jump on my clean bed, and then, you know, with clean sheets. That is the best feeling in the whole world. Yeah, I really do hope you guys get some motivation from this video. Get up and start cleaning for spring. Just get ready for the season and stuff. And I even have time to give my cat a bath, and she loves it. Yeah, so I'll see you guys next week with a brand new video. Bye.